Guys, when you start cycling, any kind of cycling makes you stronger and faster. The more you cycle, the more you will see quite a quick increase in your fitness. But after a certain point of time, it becomes progressively harder to increase the average speed. So in this video, I'll share you 6 tips which I also follow to increase my average pace. So watch this video till the end to get the complete info. Coming up. What's up guys, this is Rider Charuna and welcome to my channel. Hope you start thinking towards your health and environment, and if you are new to this channel, considering subscribe. So let's jump into the video. Guys, the biggest thing slowing you down when you do cycling is wind resistance. So instead of sitting up straight on the saddle by locking your arms and catching lots of wind, try lowering your upper body closer to bar by bending and tucking your elbow. So once you will do this, you will immediately feel the difference. Guys, correctly inflated tire will roll faster. So if you want to see the difference in your average speed, then you should check your tire pressure before every ride. Check the sidewall of the tire for the recommended air pressure. Guys, the fastest way to increase the average speed is to train yourself at speed above it. Obviously, you can't just go and ride your normal route faster than usual, as you would rapidly run out of energy. So that's why interval training comes into the picture. Interval training allows you to do cycling for short bursts at speed above your average pace. You can try this during any ride. Pick your target and pedal hard till you reach there. Then slow down to your normal pace and repeat the same process for another 3-4 times. After pedaling hard for 2 to 3 minutes, change back to your easier gear, slow down and take it easy for next 5 to 10 minutes, but keeps your legs pedaling. Guys, there are 2 reasons to wear tight fitting cycling clothes. First, the material is designed to wick away the heat and sweat, keeping you cool during any ride. The second reason is the loose baggy clothes adds a lots of drag, which will definitely slow you down. So if you want to see the difference in your average speed, then start giving preference to the cycling clothes. Guys, if you ride in a group, then instead of beside, just ride behind another rider, and that will save 20 to 30% of your energy and enables higher average speed until and unless you have to stop for a puncture someone has in a group. Guys, of course, you do interval trainings, wear tight cycling clothes, always cycle with a backwind, but you will never reach to your full speed potential if your bike is not correctly maintained. There are obvious problems like rubbing brake shoe to the sidewall of the rim, rusty chain, gears are not correctly adjusted, chain doesn't quite go to the correct cog in the first time, etc. So the best practice is to service your bike on every alternate week, as not only this will increase the life of your bike but also helps you to increase your average speed as well. So guys, those were my 6 tips which I also follow to increase my average pace during my ride. So if you are serious about the same, then you should also consider these. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then hit the like button, share this within your circle, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it from my side guys. This is Rider Charul signing off.